Polestar 4. The new car will be a pure electric high-performance coupe SUV built on the wide platform. It can reach 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.8 seconds, and its cruising range can exceed 700 km. In terms of appearance, Polestar 4 highly restores the precept concept car. Its front face does not adopt the rectangular grille that was common in the previous Polestar car series, and it becomes more concise. The decoration that extends to both sides is also cancelled, and the design of the entire front face is closer to the Polestar 6. As an all-electric, high-performance coupe SUV, the body appears to use multiple aerodynamic designs such as a sleek closed faceplate, hidden door handles, airflow-optimized taillights and the like. The interior of the Polestar 4 is the same as most new energy vehicles today, minimalistic, with the exception of one button, basically no other physical buttons on the central control. Of course, as a Volvo brand, Polestar's interiors will definitely have some subtleties. According to the official introduction, this inner set uses several new eco-friendly materials, including the customized tailored from 100% recycled PET. It is worth noting that the Polestar 4 carpet uses ECONYL nylon material made from recycled fishing nets. The door strips are made of NFPP, natural fiber polypropylene, which is 40% lighter and uses half the amount of plastic. In terms of hardware, the Polestar 4 is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip to keep the vehicle system running smoothly. In terms of software, Polestar 4 supports Baidu Smart Voice, Gauda Map Navigation and Flyme Auto Core Application Ecology. The domestic version also has a built-in Polestar Virtual Assistant, and users can get a more personalized car experience according to preset scenarios. The dimensions of the Polestar 4 are between the Polestar 2 and the Polestar 3. Length, width and height are 4839/2139/1544 mm, wheelbase is 2999 mm. It belongs to the category of medium and large SUVs. If a passenger taller than 180 cm is seated, there is still considerable room for legs. Of course, the most surprising thing is the performance of the headroom of the second row. Despite the fact that it is a coupe SUV, the designer perfectly solved the problem of slipping of the back, by cleverly stretching the glass awning behind the heads of the rear passengers. The Polestar 4, which was officially launched at the Shanghai Auto Show, costs 349,800 yuan, and given its status as a coupe SUV, the Polestar 4's biggest potential rivals in the future will be the Neo EC6 and Avida 11. Compared to the latter, the Polestar 4 has a more elegant and individual design style, greener interior materials and stronger acceleration performance.